Hi vape friends, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and a first impressions of the Smok Vfin. Hopefully you can see that okay. So Smok products, you either love them or you hate them, but this one's a bit different, so let's take a look. So on the side you have your scratch off authenticity code. On the back is your contents list. And here we have the mod. So this is the black and 7 color. You can see pink to green, and then sort of this gold to blue. So this mod comes in 7 colors. It comes in the black and red, black and purple, silver and black, white and 7 color, and this black and 7 color. So you have the Smok logo on the front, Vfin logo on the back, your micro USB charging. On the bottom you have plenty of ventilation for the battery. On the top is the OLED screen and your 510 pin connection. On the side you have the big fire bar. This is one of the reasons I do like Smok products. I like the fire bar. I like to be able to fire it in whatever position I grab my mod in and with whatever hand. So what's different about this mod is it has a built-in 8,000 milliamp hour battery. So that's a pretty huge built-in battery. For those of you who prefer to have the removable batteries that you can exchange, you may not find this as appealing, but for me, I like to be able to pop this on a charger at night and be ready to go in the morning. So first impressions, this is quite heavy, and obviously that's due to the battery, but I thought maybe compare it to something like the Smok Pro Color. There's definitely more weight to this, but it's not too far off. Size-wise, I think it's probably pretty comparable to something like the Drag. The Vfin's a bit wider. And the OLED screen on the top, it's just your standard black and white. Everything you need on here, but pretty standard screen. So it has your battery monitor, it has your watts, you can do temperature control, memory mode, wattage mode, and a puff counter. Let's take a look in the box. So you have your warranty card, your user manual, USB charging cable, bag of O-rings, you have your spare coil. So this comes pre-installed with the 0.4 ohm coil, and it comes with the spare 0.15. So this would work well for newbies and for more experienced vapors. You have your straight glass replacement piece, and this is either 2 mil or 3 mil. And then of course your tank. So this comes with the PFB 12 Big Baby Prince tank. That's a pretty decent tank. With the rainbow, it's got the honeycomb or snake skin drip tip. It's the removable 810. And it has a bottom airflow. I'm not sure if you can see that. So big airflow slots on the bottom. So it's a top fill tank, and it's got your button release so that it locks, and your fill port at the top here. It's a bit small, but we're going to fill that up now. Let's put this on. So we're going to fill this up with Vapor Artisans Blue Raz Citrus. This is a really nice blue raspberry with a citrus kick. This is one of my favorites. So we'll fill this up. And we're going to use the 0.15 coil. Best between probably, it's rated for 50 watts to 110 watts, but it's probably pretty good around the 70 or 80 watt. So we'll try this out at 80 watts. Flavor's pretty good. Cloud production's not bad. So not too bad, not too shabby. So for those of you who are willing to give an internal battery a try, I think this one will last quite a long time. My guess is at about 80 watts, this could last you at least all day, maybe a day and a half or two. I'll use this for a couple of weeks, and then I will update you on the pros and cons. So stay tuned, and hope to see you soon.